Hi everyone, welcome here, and today in my hand I have this. So this is basically a FrSky transmitter carrying case. So be more specific, this particular model is made for this transmitter. So this is my TARANIS QX7 transmitter, and this carrying case is specially designed for this transmitter. So overall quality of this carrying case is very good, and it's made of hard foam like material, and it's also dust and water resistance. At the top of this box you can see here is a FrSky branding, and this is a carrying handle with rubber grip, and this is a chain. And at the bottom of the box you can see here are some stands. Let's measure its weight. So you can see it's 416.4 gram. So it's also very lightweight. Let's open this box and see what's inside it. So this is the inside of the box. You can see here are some laser cutting EPV foam for the transmitter. Let me show you. So this transmitter will goes like this. So as you can see, it's a perfect fit for this transmitter, and here are some extra pouches for your accessories like this neck strap. So this neck strap will go there, and this spare battery for the transmitter, which is made by me, goes here. So it's a perfect fit, and here you can see also two space here and here also. You can use this to carry any other stuff. And this is the upper lid, and if you remove this EPV foam you will get another pocket here. Let me show you. First remove this one. So this is the upper part of this box, and if you open this you will get another pocket. So here you can place your extra batteries, etc, etc. So overall it's a very good product, and its quality is also very good, and it's quite hard, you can see, and also lightweight. And the most interesting thing, it's water and dust resistance. So if you want to buy this product, then there is a link in the description box below. From this link you will get this product. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet.